Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today we're going to be unboxing these right here. These are the Monsters n-lite Clear Talk. These normally go $79.99. But a week ago, they were on sale for $19.99. So you know I could not pass these up. Again, I got them on sale for $19.99. Now, either they were on sale because they suck or they were on sale because they had too many of them. I don't know. But I got them. So let's go ahead and get into the tidbits of it all. Let's see what type of details we can get for this. Okay, it says pure sound from Monster earbuds. These earbuds have been engineered to provide remarkable audio quality, using unique big bass sound engineering technology. This technology enhanced the bass, giving you the ultimate audio experience. Okay, you also have as IPX waterproof. These advanced waterproof and sweat-proof technology effectively prevents damage caused by sweat, raindrops, making these earbuds the ideal choice for fitness enthusiasts. Bluetooth 5.3 and advanced Bluetooth 5.3 technology, superior sound quality, strong signal. Each earbud with smart touch functionality, giving you direct control over your music, your volume, your calls, and your assistants will greatly improve the transmission speed and providing you with a low latency listening experience. Now, it says noise reduction earbuds for call. Adopt the CVC 8.0 noise canceling technology. The Bluetooth earbuds built in a 4-mic and exclusive ENC, which is environmental noise cancellation algorithm to tone out background noise and ensure sound clarity. Immersing yourself in a clear sound feast no matter in calls, videos, chats, or in a noisy environment. Now, they didn't say it. This has an app, so I don't know how you can control the sound, in a ANC, unless you could do it, when it's built into this. I don't know. But they don't say no app on here. And it says 60 hours long playtime. Fast charging, Bluetooth earbuds with super fast charge. So you got super fast charge on here. When you forget to charge the earbuds, you need to use it in urgency. Do not worry, with just 10 minutes of charge time, you can play 2 hours. It includes USB-C cable, allows you to charge the case for 60 hours, quick and easy, ready for an uninterrupted listening experience all day. So now, I get all that because I bought it for $19.99. Boy, listen to me. Sometimes you got to be frugal fanny. Frugal fanny. Hey, before we get to the eagle eye, do me a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Please give us thumbs up. If you give us thumbs up and you share the video, it literally allows the YouTube algorithm god to say, hey, people like his stuff. Let me push it out to more people. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank my current and new subscribers for still rocking with the channel. We are growing. So thank you. Without further ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Okay, welcome to the Eagle Eye View. Now, like I said, these were $79, and I got them for $19.99. So sometimes you got to be frugal. All right, so this is how the box look. There you go. All right, we're gonna be using this as our unboxing knife today. Besides this, oh, there we go. Use that. Put that up. So I'm gonna cut myself. All right, let's see. All right, so we have this here, and inside here, we should have a booklet, quick starting guide, and a warranty and everything else. Okay, there's nothing else in here. All right. Okay, there we go. So now, normally these would cost $79.99. So I'm kind of already disappointed because look at these wires. Man, they could have gave us a little bit better wires than that. Could have braided them a little bit for $79. I mean, I got it for $19. So can't complain. USB A, USB C. Okay, we have the, there we go, got the ear tips. So there we go, got the ear tips. Okay, see, got that. All right, let me see one more thing, guys. Let's see if it has, do it have anything to deal with it? I don't see nothing to say. Okay, there's no app. Nothing here to say is an app. All right, so there's no app. Guys, there's no app. Okay. Okay, I like this. Okay, got Monster on the side. On the back, you got, that's the reset button. Press that in. And then you have USB C. That's it. Nice. I mean, that's small, guys. That is small. And we can go open this up. And I don't know why I don't have no plastic on here, but that's how it looks, guys. All right, so you can see those are the mics. Okay. All right, guys. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna go ahead and get to the we're gonna weigh it, see how much it weighs. We're gonna get to charging it, then we're gonna go ahead and pair it up. Okay, and all right, 37 grams. 37 grams, yeah. Okay, we'll take these out. We're just gonna. So they're 8 grams. That means they're 4 grams a piece. That is very light, guys. Very light. All right, let's go get to charging them up. Go ahead. See how it charges up. All right, there you go. It wasn't on. All right, so you see the light flashing. This is charging up. Let's go ahead and use this old Samsung. There we go. So let's go ahead, take this down. We're gonna go ahead and see how we do when the fast charges. I'm gonna put it on this side here. As you can see, that one right there, fast charging. Let's see. All right. So how many watts it could take. So it's fast charging. I'm guessing that's what it says. So that's fast charging side. So there you go. We'll go ahead and open this. See if we can open it. See if you can see it. Oh, sorry. Brand new. There you go, right there. Okay, so that means we can't do it like that. We have to take them out of here. So let's take them out. And you can see red. All right, okay, let's take them out. Pair of new. Yeah, there we go. There we go. So that's easy. Like I said, there is no app. So that's it, guys. Well, let's get to the regular view. Yo, I'm back with my final thoughts on the Monster n-lite clear talk. Now, guys, listen. I made the calls off screen and I listened to the music off screen. And I got a little bit to say about it. Let's get right to it. Fit is a 5. Put them in your ear, they don't come out. They feel comfortable, like like any other earbud. I almost dropped it. So, feel them in, shape. The fit is pretty good. As long as you got them in there, they're good. Okay, they're good. So the fit is a 5. Now, will they fall out like any other earbud once you get ear sweat? So the fit is a 5. Now the finish and design, I gave it a 3.5. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, now I'm gonna tell you, fit and design for $79.99, it's okay. $19.99, it's okay. All right. So for this design, I give it 3.5. Music wasn't bad. Was good. Fair to middling. I give it a 3.0. Not too much bass. You do hear the bass. You do hear some of the highs and lows. It does get loud. The music is fair to middling. I give it a 3. Now, call was the big thing because you almost fell. Call was the big thing because I called one person. They said it's 3.5. I called another person. They said it was a 4. The last person I called said it was a 5. I said, okay. So that equals out to be a 4.1. There's no app. I gave it a 0 for ANC because I don't believe there's ANC in this thing, okay? There's no ANC in this thing. There's no way to turn it on. I went into the bathroom, cut on background noise, listen to music, and even lower that. So 0. Now, this is going to be the thing. If you can get it for $19.99 price, I give it a 5. I give it a 5. If you're going to get it for $79.99 and it comes with no app, it comes with no ANC, active ANC that you can turn on and off, I give it a 1. I give it a 1 because for $79.99, these are overpriced, way overpriced, because you got some stuff that's $39.99, $49.99 that comes with an app, it comes with ANC, it comes with a lot of different things, and it sounds better. So now, if you get it for $19.99, that all comes out to be 3.4. Fair to middling for $19.99. But if you buy it for $79.99, it comes out 2.7. Not worth getting a D. So it's all about how you catch these. If you catch them on sale for $19.99, go ahead and get them. $19.99, you can't beat it. You lose it. It's only $20. For $79.99, you leave them where they're at. Right where they're at. Don't get them. They talk about, I looked on their website, talk about app coming soon. Monster, you've been around for a while. You should have been had an app. So I'm going to say, if you find these for $19.99, you should go ahead and get them. They're good. You ain't going to beat them for $19.99. Not going to get no ANC. Call quality is good. The music is decent. It's just decent. It's pure to middle decent. But if you get $79.99, leave them where they're at. All right, guys? All right, before we go, guys, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Once again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, a.k.a. Pastor Tech, thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing journey. Forgot to say thanks to my current and new and current subscribers for still rocking with the channel. We're growing. So, guys, we got some more unboxings coming soon. So, guess what? Hit that bell icon so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. You have a good day. Peace.